For the people out there that's having trouble with the Atoto A6 head unit with the backup camera, that they say that they have the double lines and there's something wrong with it, but I figured it out. Look, you go to default settings, you scroll all the way down, see where it says rear camera guideline. I turned it off, but if you turn it on, it has double lines, right? Okay. Now when I turn it off, and it goes away. I've seen a lot of people leaving bad comments about this camera due to that. All you gotta do is go into settings, default settings, and scroll all the way down to rear camera guideline. Once you go to rear camera guideline, you turn it off, so you can have only one. And also another thing I noticed, steering wheel programming. People think that they can't program their steering wheel to the radio, but you can. All you got to do is go to steering wheel program. You click on one of those icons, and you just come to the steering wheel and you click on that icon, and it sets it up. As you can see, save steering wheel. Now everything's fine. So basically, once again, default settings, all the way down to rear camera guideline, turn it off, and you will only get one guideline. I hope this helps everybody out there. Please like, comment, subscribe. I got more videos coming up. Thanks.